How are you folks? This is Jason Druss. I'm a Principal Product Marketing Manager on the Adobe Premiere team. Welcome to your course on color grading in the Properties panel with the all-new color mode in Premiere Beta. Now, color mode is awesome. There's no denying that. But oftentimes, you might not want to make color grading decisions and go all the way over to color mode for it. Sometimes you want to make some quick, fast adjustments while you are in an editorial mindset. So what we wanted to do is give you real, authentic color mode controls with the new math, new quality, new everything about color mode that makes it unique. And we wanted to give you an opportunity to use those controls while you're in edit mode, while you're in an editorial mindset. So what we're going to do now is actually hop over to edit mode. We're in edit mode now, is that we have actually added all of the color and contrast and detail color controls from color mode into the properties panel. Now, it's important to note, we're used to a world of Lumetri where if you see color sliders on edit mode, you're used to Lumetri. This is not Lumetri. This is color mode. And if it's not abundantly clear to you, the color mode controls and the Lumetri sliders are completely, fundamentally different tools with different sets of math, different levels of quality. You can compare Lumetri and color mode all you want, all day back and forth. The math and color science and capabilities of the color mode controls blow Lumetri out of the water. But again, important to note, in the properties panel here, these are not Lumetri controls. These are color mode controls. So what I can do is I can adjust temperature, tint, saturation, contrast, pivot, exposure, black level, and under detail, I can expose texture and sharpness with a really fast one-click zip line to all the color controls in color mode at any time I want. Having said that, if I take this clip right here and I go ahead and I adjust temperature, let's make it a little bit warmer. Let's make it a little bit greener. Let's reduce saturation. No, let's raise saturation. Why not pump it up a little bit? Ooh, that's way too much. Let's bring it back down. Just kidding. Just kidding. I like demoing, but I don't like demoing bad decisions. Let's go ahead and see we have contrast and pivot right here as sliders. And let's say we like that. Now, the coolest thing about this is that what you are adjusting when you use the properties panel color mode sliders is you are color grading the first adjustment at the clip level, right? So I can turn off these controls. I can also go ahead and toggle these on and off to see the decisions I've made. And when I am done, I can go over to color mode. And those adjustments that I've made on that clip adjustment are actually waiting for me right here. I have my color temp adjustment right here that I made. I have my saturation adjustments that I've made right here. There you go. It's simple as pie. This is a short one. Those are your new properties panel controls for using color mode while you're in an editorial mindset. As always, if you want more information, read the documentation. We got everything you need up there on HelpX. Every button, every right click, every submenu. It's all in the documentation. So have fun. Remember to have fun. That's the most important part. Happy editing and happy grading. We'll see you folks. Thanks. Bye.